G'day guys, Stan from Euroz Automotive again. This time we're going to talk about batteries and battery maintenance. As we're fastly approaching battery season, by that what I mean is our highest turnover of battery replacement is usually from summer to winter, winter to summer. Batteries don't like the temperature changes, that damages them internally. Also, with every car that we actually service, when they come in, we'll always do a battery test on the vehicle without charging it first. And then after charging it. The reason why we do this is we need to determine whether the battery is in a good condition, a good state. In this case, we've done a service and we've tested the battery, and you can see bad replace. This car still starts. Customer had no idea that there was a battery issue, but as you can see, it stops. Now, the common question that I get is, well, my car's not struggling to start. I do get the odd engine light on or something like that will come on and then it comes off. In simple terms, what happens is the battery has to supply power to the starter motor, as well as about 40 to 50 computers that run these vehicles. First thing in the morning when you get in your car, what do? You unlock it, you get in, you turn the ignition on, the radio comes on and the aircon comes on. So there goes voltage already. You then get in and you crank, all the power goes to the starter motor, some of it remaining for the computers. You do get an extra leaf which shuts them down momentarily and then wakes them back up again. But all this energy has to be stored in a little battery. The battery physically is not overly big. This is called an AGM, which is the start-stop. It's the one that when you get to the traffic lights, the car stops and starts by itself. That also consumes battery power. Because the vehicle's standing there, engine's not running, nothing's charging the battery, yet all the computers still have to be monitored, ready for you to get going. What we recommend with every other battery that or every other service, every other car that we do, is that you charge your battery every month or so. Particularly now that we've gone through the whole COVID thing, people are starting to drive again. The whole fallacy is your alternator is going to charge your battery. It's not. It's going to top it up. You get these little battery chargers. They're about $80 to $120 from Repco, Jaycar, Versons. Sometimes Aldi sells them. That's our little loan one that we loan to customers. It can get the battery to last longer. The last thing you want to do is get your battery and you're starting to get all kinds of engine and gearbox lights coming on. In particular, I've seen in BMWs and Mercedes where you'll have gearbox fault codes, you'll have ABS fault codes, and we go through the whole diagnostic process thinking it's going to be a horrendously expensive repair, and it turns out the battery has failed. So my weekly tip would be charge your battery once a month. Whether you drive the vehicle, and if you don't drive the vehicle, even more so reason to charge it. Not just in your car, anything, your motorbike, your moped, whatever it is you have, keep your batteries charged. It will make them last much longer. Okay, if you have any questions, please feel free to enter them into the comments, and please hit subscribe. Thank you.